There are two different formulas to find the slope of a line. The first formula I call a practical formula, and I'll use this if I'm finding the slope of a graph. My practical formula for slope is slope equals m, which equals rise over run. Rise means the change up and down. Run means the change left and right. Be careful. If you go up, the rise would be positive. If you go down, the rise would be negative. Similarly, if we go to the right, the run would be positive. If we go to the left, the run would be negative. So let's say in this particular example, we choose to start at the ordered pair they have below. How many units up would we have to go to be able to be on the same level as that next point up? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we would have to go up a positive 8 units. From that location, how many units, either left or right, would we have to go to get to the other point? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this case, we had to go left 7 units, which would represent a negative 7. So in this case, the slope, the rise was positive 8, and the run was negative 7. That slope would reduce to negative 8/7. If you have a negative either on the top or on the bottom and a positive in the opposite location, the entire fraction is negative, and you can just place the negative sign in the front. Now, I want to look at the same situation, but I want to look at the situation where I would choose to start from a different location, and let's see if this makes a difference. So I'd like to now start at the point I have up above and see what I'd need to do to get to the point down below. Well, I know that first I need to do my rise. In this case, I would actually need to go down. So I would count how many units down do I need to go to get to the same level as the point below. In this case, we see we would need to go down. Because it's down, it'd be down 8 units, so negative 8. And then I would count how many units over do I need to go. In this case, it's to the right. So because it's right, it would be positive 7. So in this situation, my rise would be negative 8, my run would be 7, the result is still the same, the slope is negative 8/7. So it makes no difference which point you start with, just keep track of if you're going up or down and left or right, and make sure you place the appropriate sign with the appropriate number.